Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to do matrix calculation, that is matrix multiplication and subtraction. Okay, so for that first we need to choose mode. In that we need to look for matrix option like this. So press matrix like this. Okay, so press matrix like this. If you don't get any matrix option over there, then press shift then followed by this button number 4, so you will get a matrix window like this. Okay, so we need to enter the respective matrix values like this. So for that, press this edit button for matrix A. So initially the dimensions will be 3 cross 3 like this, 3 cross 3. So we can choose our dimension. Okay, so as our dimension is 2 cross 2, so what I am going to do, I will press this change dimension, then only 2. So like this we are going to get 2 cross 2 matrix, then press done. So what is the first matrix value we chosen it as minus 20 0 0 minus 20, right? So for that, what we are going to do, minus 20 like this, then press equal, then 0, then equal, then 0, then equal, once again minus 20 like this. So this is the matrix A value we feed it. Similarly for matrix B we need to do. So for that, what we are going to do, press shift then this 4. So for matrix B, this edit button is there, right? So press that edit. If you want to change the dimension, you can change the dimension by pressing this. So make it 2 cross 2, then press done like this. So second matrix value is 0.025, then press equal, 0.016 like this, equal. Then third value is once again 0.016, then press equal. Then fourth value is 0.023. So this is about matrix B. Then similarly for matrix C, press shift then matrix option like this. So now edit matrix C. So you will get once again 3 cross 3 default. So you can change it by pressing this from 3 cross 2 to cross 2. So once again we'll feed the values of third matrix, that is minus 20, then 0, then 0, then minus 20 like this. So press equal. So now we entered the values for matrix A, B and C. Similarly for matrix D we are going to enter the values. So for that, shift once again 4. So for D, press that edit button. So initially it will be 3 cross 3, so make sure that you change it to 2 cross 2. So for matrix D the values are 40, minus 10, then minus 10, then 50 like this. So we entered all the matrix value, matrix A, B, C and D. Okay, so initially what we are going to do, we are going to multiply matrix A, matrix B and matrix C. So for that, once again press shift and this 4. So now instead of pressing this edit window, we are going to press on mat A. So like this. So press on mat A. So we are going to get matrix A like this. So for that, do multiplication like this. Once again shift then 4, will choose matrix B like this, then into, then shift, then once again matrix 4. So matrix C we want, so press like this. So we'll get the multiplication of all these three together, this answer 10, 6.4, 6.4, 9.2. So after getting this answer, we need to subtract with matrix D, right? So for that, what matrix D we need to get. So shift matrix this 4 option. So we need to get matrix D. So press mat D like that. So before that, sorry. So quick thing I will do. So shift 4 A into shift 4 B into shift 4 C. Press equal. So I forgot to press this equal sign. Okay, then shift 4 matrix D, you will get right like this. So minus of answer. like this. So put bracket for answer, so then press equal. So this is the final answer you are going to get. 30 minus 16.4, 16.4, 40.8. So I will share that solution also, you can cross check it out. Thank you. If you are having any doubt in any point of calculation, let me know. Thank you.